Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, it's pretty simple today. The Bears have got to hold the new weekly pivot at 26.8317. The Bulls came out of the gate last night and traded as high as 84. We've traded as low as 66.5. So the task today is to establish the weekly pivot as resistance. If the Bears can do that, then this just becomes a pretty simple test of the upper band, and we come back and retest the middle band, and we figure out what the intentions of this market really are. Are we making a higher low versus here and then a higher high, or are we going to come back down and get into some, range-bound type action between the Bollinger Bands that'll stretch out into May? Either way, it's going to be a nice trading environment. You can see on the hourly chart a couple things. I want to talk about 60. We traded down to there on Friday, actually 59.75. That corresponds with this support area and jumping off point back on April the 16th. So here and here. So any move on the downside, it's going to get you back to the daily mid-band, which is at 49.50 area, is going to have to deal with 60 first. Now, you can see the hourly mid-band acting as resistance. You can see the test of the new weekly pivot here. We are making a lot of lower highs, and we are finding corresponding lower lows. I like the argument that we can continue to progress back and go do daily mid-band. Just be very aware the daily mid-band is at 49 to 50 and how price reacts to it when it gets there. I don't think it's a blind buy. I don't think it's a blind buy by any stretch of the imagination. I do think it's an area that needs to be respected. And a bounce off of that area that then would convert this potential double bottom at 60 into resistance on the second time through, that may get us some more downside. So this is going to be a very interesting week. It's a week where both sides have the opportunity to follow through on what they did last week. The higher highs in the first half of the week by the Bulls, the lower highs in the second half of the week by the Bears. So as I come into this morning, as I'm waiting for the bell to ring at 9:30, I am taking a very show me type approach to the tape. I have no conviction whatsoever in either direction. I usually don't, but I really don't this morning. I'm not a fan of Monday morning trading. And in this situation where we've gone up and given it back, and we're sitting right now at up 3 ticks versus the Friday close on the Globex, I'm going to wait and see. I got 60 on the downside, I got 83 on the upside, and we're trading deadpan in the middle of those 20 handles. So, that 60 to 83 area, you win that range, you win the week, in my opinion. So we'll see. All right, everybody have a fantastic day and an excellent start to the week. We'll have some stuff out on social. Until then, trade them well, and I'll talk to you. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.